Hey, this is AJ for the Disney 411 News. Following last week's D23, permits have started to be filed for many of the new developments coming to Walt Disney World, and this past week we found out that the new Cars-themed expansion of Frontierland at Magic Kingdom will be replacing Tom Sawyer Island and Rivers of America. More permits are expected to be filed in the coming months as we get closer to construction starting. Whilst last week's announcement of a Monsters Inc. themed land coming to Hollywood Studios was a shock for the Disney community, it has been reported this past week that Disney Imagineers have not yet decided the location for the new land, with speculation that this could either replace Animation Courtyard or Muppet Courtyard. Let us know where you would like to see the new land in the Sorcerer Radio Discord. It's officially Halloween season at the Disney parks, and this past week saw the start of Mickey's not-so-scary Halloween party. One new addition to this year's party has been the Hitchhiking Ghosts character experience in Frontierland. You can find them on the balcony near Country Bear Musical Jamboree. Construction is well underway at Magic Kingdom for the new Pirates Tavern at Pirates of the Caribbean, with construction expanding this past week from the gift shop through to the queue entrance area to prepare for the new location ahead of its 2025 opening. As we prepare for nighttime parades to return to Magic Kingdom with Disney Starlight debuting next year, this past week Disney began casting for an Isabella character actor. Whilst this could be for elsewhere within the parks, we do know that Isabella will feature with Mirabel and Bruno in the Starlight Parade. And finally this week, if Halloween has started, that means Christmas is just around the corner. And this past week, Disney released previews for some of the new Jollywood Nights merchandise coming to Hollywood Studios, with spirit jerseys, t-shirts, bags, mugs, pins and more, all featuring the fan-favourite original character, Ollie the Gingerbread Man. And that's your 411 quick take today. Head over to the Sorcerer Radio Discord at srsounds.com/Discord to chat along and keep up with the latest news.